The chestnut-capped babbler is a small bird in the babbler family, measuring about 16 centimeters in length. A distinctive round chestnut patch covers the crown of its head, resembling a red cap, hence its name. With its white eyebrows and reddish crown, the bird is easily recognizable in the wild. Active by nature, the chestnut-capped babbler has a loud, melodious call that is quite pleasant to hear. It typically inhabits low shrubs and grasslands within forested areas, and is mainly found in southwestern China and several Southeast Asian countries. In 2016, it was listed on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species.